Hello guys, welcome to our channel, The Handy Tornado. Make this lock. You have seen this lock in our previous video. We have named this lock as the lock 23. This lock is amazing. But today we are bringing a new partner better than this lock. And this is the X-Ring. You may be wondering why I am calling that ring an X-Ring. Well, you will know it shortly. Whenever you put a light on this ring, the ring shows an X sign, which is pretty cool. And from the top, it is nearly horrible. I'm using this sheet for rotating the objects because these are metal parts and the wooden table makes so much noise that you cannot hear this on YouTube. So this page reduces the speed of the object, but well, we have to do this. If you want to hear that noise, please lower down your volume and hear this. It's too noisy, so better we use the sheet. Alright, get on the sheet. Alright, let's do a time trial. Oh, again, they are jumping off the table. Get on the sheet. Yeah. Well, in my views, the timings should be noted again. I forgot to click on the timer. Let's do this again, and by noting the time. Wait. Stay here. Yeah. Alright. Oh, that's a bit corner. Last try for this jam. Alright, this time we'll get the correct timings, noting it down. And this stands for about 26 seconds, 3 seconds faster than the lock. Pretty cool. I'm in search of new objects. If you have any idea, please let me know in comments. And thanks for watching.